Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn French fast. Begin by mastering core vocabulary and everyday phrases, which are crucial for basic communication. Pay close attention to French pronunciation right from the start. This helps avoid developing incorrect habits later on. Incorporate popular language learning applications into your routine for engaging and interactive lessons that reinforce your learning. This foundational approach will set you on a path to rapid progress. To truly accelerate your French learning, consistent practice is key. Dedicate at least 15 minutes each day to speaking French, even if it's just to yourself or a language partner. Immerse yourself in the language by listening to French music and podcasts. This significantly boosts your listening comprehension. Additionally, watching French films with French subtitles helps you link spoken words to their written forms and understand cultural nuances. True fluency comes from integrating French into your daily life. Seek out a language exchange partner to engage in regular, authentic conversations. This provides invaluable real-world practice. A simple yet effective trick is to label common household items with their French names, naturally expanding your vocabulary. Challenge yourself to think in French for a few minutes daily. This mental exercise strengthens your ability to form sentences quickly. Maintaining momentum is vital for long-term success in learning French. Establish small, achievable weekly goals, such as mastering 20 new words or a specific grammar point. Consistent review of previously learned material is crucial for solidifying your memory and preventing knowledge gaps. Remember to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Stay persistent, celebrate your progress, and enjoy the journey of becoming fluent in French.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.